Hey guys, this is Vidya. Welcome back to my channel as well as my YouTube video. So yes, I am gonna shoot this video after a very long time again because of my examinations. But I love to make videos and share everything with you all people. So in today's video, again I'm gonna do something amazing. I'm gonna review few products which includes everything like hair mask, body lotion, body wash, lipstick, everything that I love and I recently bought, I used, and I'm gonna give review about that all products so you can also buy for yourself. So our first product is this Luxe body wash. You can see the product. Its fragrance is really very amazing. I love this one. So this is the Magical Orchid fragrance. It is made up of magical black orchid and juniper scent. This is about 750 ml for rupees 400. You can get this in lower amounts or at discounts in the stores as well as online apps, and it stays up to 12 hours and long lasting fragrance. It is also mentioning that it is paraben free, so it's mentioning that it stays for 12 hours but for me it stays for 6 to 7 hours if you apply the more amount of body wash. So I love this product personally. For trial basis you can also buy this small amount of body wash, but I bought this for 750 ml because I was already obsessed with the smell, so you can try for a smaller amount. So yes, try this product. The second product will be Dove hair mask. I personally again love this product because it is a game changer for my hair. When I was like literally my hair was little bit damaged because of hair straightener and all. So I got to know about this Dove hair mask and I literally the second day I got it and I told my mother to buy this for me and she told okay, let's buy. So this is the Dove 10-in-1 deep repair treatment mask with a 8% bioprotein fusion. This is the hair mask for damaged hair. It is like rich nourishing texture, visible healthier hair. Yes, it is like 100% sure you will get the healthier hair. You will, on one use only, you will get, your hair will look like so healthy and shine also. So let's open this product. I have literally used half of the bottle. This is the bottle you will get. This is for 300 ml, almost around 550 yes, 550 rupees for 300 ml, and I have used this much of amount already. I bought this before 7 to 6 months ago and I have used half of the product already. So I use this hair mask once a week and a little like a coin size only, not more than that, because it really gives smooth and silky look even after using this much amount. So you can buy for yourself. You can also buy a smaller bottle for this, but I buy 300 ml because I was getting discount or something, I don't remember exactly. So you can buy this Dove hair mask. It will be a game changer for those who have already damaged their hair by using heating tools such as straightener, hair dryer and many more tools. So you can give a try to this hair mask. You can see it smell. No, you can't see the smell. You can just feel from my expression. So you have to buy this for getting the smell. So you can see half of the product I have already used. Steps you have to follow before using this. We have to use shampoo for cleansing, of course. The second step will be the conditioner for the detangling. Third will be the mask, so it can treat your hair. Fourth will be the serum for the protection. So you have to apply this mask for only 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes you have to rinse off the mask from the water. And the last step is serum. So let's go on the third product, that is the serum. I am really obsessed using this. This serum was suggested by my friend, for like she used already many times. So she told that buy this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Serum, which is made up of six precious floral oils, which gives extraordinary moisture, softness and luxurious shine. Yes, it gives luxurious shine with again good fragrance, and it also moisturizes your hair like pro, and it also protects your hair before using your after using your heating tools. So it protects from the heat. I bought this for 300 rupees. No, this is for 300 rupees for 30 ml, but I got it in the 200 rupees from Flipkart. So you can also try and order for yourself. This is a small amount of hair serum. You will get a bigger bottle also. If you want to buy bigger bottle, you can order for you a bigger bottle. Just to use 2 to 3 drops of the serum after washing your hair in the wet hairs, and also before using a heat tools, you can apply 2 to 3 drops at one side and 2 to 3 drops on the another side. So you can order for yourself. The fourth product is my current favorite moisturizer. This is from Himalaya. This is Cocoa Butter Intensive Serum Body Lotion. Its pH is 5.5, so it is very suitable for your skins, and it moisturizes my skin really good. You can see the consistency of the cream. It is like very amazing, and I got this for like 250 or I guess 300 rupees on discount on stores. So this is for 445 rupees for 400 ml. So it is really very you can affordable, you can say. You can also buy this online, and you can also go to your nearest store and buy this for you. The last but not the least product I used recently is this lipstick from Mars. This was like very viral on the Instagram and YouTube. Everywhere this was like so much viral, and so much everybody was using this lipstick, and this personally this shade 03 Queen, and I thought why not to buy and try on my skin and my lips. So I bought it, and this is Mars Matte Mousse in the shade 03 Queen, and I was obsessed in Navratri. I literally all the 9 days I applied this lipstick only, and recently also I have applied this lipstick only. You can see the shade. It is really very mousse type, and it is even matte, and its consistency is also very good, and the shade is like amazing. It will be suitable on every skin type, and they have more shades in this color, in this lipstick. There are literally very much shades, but personally I love this 03 because it is like a brown shade, and it will be very nice on every occasion, at weddings, at parties, birthdays, everywhere. So this is the shade. I can show you the swatch of this lipstick. It is like literally a mousse, and I am really obsessed. I can't say more about the lipstick. You yourself buy this and try this. That's it for this video. I have shown some literally good products which I have tried, and I am like gonna use this for a very long time until I will not get a new better product than this all. So you can also try this products from all like 5 products. If you are fond of using body wash, then you can use this Lux body wash. If you are searching for a good hair mask, you can go for this Dove hair mask. If you are looking for a good serum, you can buy this Extraordinary oil from L'Oreal Paris. If you are finding your perfect go-to lipstick, you can go with this Mars Matte Mousse. And you are finding a good moisturizer and a body lotion for this winter season, you can buy this Himalaya. So yes, that's it for this video. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up. Comment below that which product you are going to buy and you love the which product you love the most. Thank you so much, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.